Flash Shark got a hold of me. They wanted to send me some truck parts. And I was like, yeah, I think some parts would be cool in the Coyote. But I was like, you know what? Wyatt's got a Tacoma. He's got a new Taco that it's just a little too quiet. So normally he puts an exhaust on everything that he owns. But this one, there's nothing on it yet. It's had it almost a year now, and it's time. So Flash Shark sent me some stuff to put on his truck. Now, Wyatt's been helping me out a lot in the past, so I'm gonna surprise him with this thing. I came here with the Razor. I told Wyatt, I need to borrow your truck or something. No questions asked. He's like, yeah, sure, man, go take it. So we're gonna go to the exhaust shop. We're gonna throw some stuff on here. So Flash Shark sent me a new muffler, a 1 in, 2 out. I'm not sure how this is gonna sound. Probably gonna be a little bit louder than stock, which is fine. We don't want to go too loud because we have something to correct that. Here we got a cut-off exhaust. I'm gonna have links to all of these, but here, this is the cut-off parts. I haven't really gone through the box yet. Oh yeah, more gaskets, and that's the valve. And to top it all off, so we got, you know, mildly quiet, loud, more horsepower. Everything's still in the box here yet. This is a kit for cold air intake. Is this really gonna give us that much more horsepower? Probably not, but it's gonna be really cool. Maybe if we're feeling frisky, we'll maybe tune it up a little bit, but we got a V, so this Taco is a V6. So we got a nice new air filter on there, cold air intake. More horsepower, apparently, but we're gonna throw that on there. Yeah, I'll make it sound cooler, and I hope Wyatt likes it. He loves loud things. He's got his nitro right here. It's loud. We're gonna take this up, we'll get that installed, and then once we get it back, I'm going to wire up the cut-off exhaust, and then we will surprise Wyatt and see what he thinks about it. So that's the plan. Let's go to the shop. Alright, so we finally made it back to Wyatt's house, and see him in the garage right now. I don't think he looks... He's got a weird smirk on his face. He heard something. Let's go see what he thinks now. So I did something to your truck.
It sounds a little different.
It's a little different. Why don't you just come over here and look.
Alright. Oh, hell yeah. That's sick.
Hell yeah. I know how you like your duals.
Love duals.
Oh, that turned out so good. Black tips. I know how you like the black tips.
The miter cuts, those are my favorite.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
All right, well.
It's the longest I've had a quiet truck.
Yeah, well, she's not quiet anymore.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna fire it up.
All
Here.
right.
Why don't you take a listen to her?
All right. Hell yeah.
The first time the viewers are listening to this thing. That we've done to this.
Oh yeah, is that so?
Still gotta do a little bit more finagling with it, but why don't you take a look under there?
Ooh.
There's some more goodies under there.
Oh hell yeah. You got us a shocker.
Oh yeah. Woo!
Nice little stainless tip.
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Yep. You guys have already seen that under there, but so we still gotta hook it up. But yeah, she's gonna be loud and then extra loud.
And proud.
And loud and proud. V6, I don't know if you hear too many shockers on these, cut-offs on these, but you know
sound like side by side.
I think it's gonna sound like a little rally truck or something.
Hell yeah.
But I know you kept the stock for too long. We had a... So Flash Shark came and they gave you a bunch of parts to put on your truck. So
Hell yeah. Let's do it.
yeah, let's finish up installing that cutoff. And there's actually one more thing we got to put on this thing.
Oh, what you got now, buddy?
With more exhaust comes more horsepower, and then, you know, in order to make more horsepower, sometimes you need more airflow. So we got a cold air intake to put on this sucker.
Sweet.
So we're also gonna put that on, and then we'll see how much 5 ponies we can get out of her.
I think we're up to 25.
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna pull her in the garage, and then we're gonna install a cold air intake. I'll probably have Wyatt tackle that, and then I'm gonna tackle running some wire up into the dash here or somewhere in his cab, and that way we can see it or hear it extra louder. So all right, let's get to it. All right, so right here is our cutoff that we have installed. They actually sent us 2 of them, but basically you got your Y pipe here. This is your electronic valve, so pretty simple. They give you plenty of wiring here. I don't know, it's probably 10 feet or so there. And then they also give you a toggle switch, so you can hardwire this in, or you can plug it into your 12-volt cigarette lighter port. This kit actually came with 2 cutoffs, so it actually came with a Y. So you plug in the one connector into a Y splitter, and then you can run 2 cutoffs at once for this kit. We ended up just going with the one for now. We might throw this onto something else, maybe my truck, I don't know yet. And then over here, and a huge shout out to Holmes Auto Repair and Exhaust Shop. They're the one that installed the custom exhaust for us. They always do a good job. Wyatt always goes there. So
I've had 13 exhausts done with them.
So some good stuff.
Yes. They highly recommend it. Very well with the exhaust. Everything's welded. Hardly ever use clamps, so I love going there.
Hell yeah. Yep, they got tube bender and everything. So yep, if you guys are in northern Michigan, somewhere around Cadillac, that's where they're located, hit up Holmes Auto and Exhaust. All right, that's what I like to hear. So over here,
got some nice metal parts.
Yeah, Flash Shark also sent us the cold air intake. So you got a whole kit. You got a bunch of clamps. You got, I guess, the shielding, the aluminum shielding, whatever that holds your air filter on and whatnot.
It's all aluminum too. It's not plastic. Oh, that's plastic. But that's aluminum.
Aluminum.
Which usually they run plastic. So
yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you got everything you need. They even send you an air filter for it and everything. So that should be a fairly simple.
A nice little puzzle.
But yeah, you got instructions with this or?
No instructions.
No instructions. All right. Well,
there could have been. The box is in a little. It's like the dog ate it before we got it. So.
Well, there might have been instructions. We'll figure it out. It's not going to be too hard.
It's just. It looks plug and play.
It's just,
it'd be good to go.
Yeah, just remove the old one, put in this one. I think we can handle that.
Hell yeah.
All right, well, while that's doing that, I'm going to wire up that cutoff, and then we'll hit you guys up once we're done.
Hell yeah. No?
Nope, the rubber does not like it.
Doesn't like it.
All right, so we got the intake hose hooked up. We figured it out without instructions, so if we can figure it out, you guys can figure it out. If we had instructions, we lost them. So.
And if we had instructions, we would have installed this before we...
Yeah, probably would have put this on first. And we're just guessing that it goes here. This is the most logical place that it would go. It might go somewhere else. We don't know.
Way too long.
We don't even know if it goes to this kit.
We're pretty sure it does.
We're pretty sure it is, but yeah, we're just going to cut her off, send it, and call it good.
That's what we do here. We just send it.
Yeah. Yeah, and I got the old switch hooked up in the glove or in the center console there, so and it works. So we're gonna get it fired up here in a minute and make all these extra ponies that we're about to gain.
Like all the neighbors love me even more.
Yeah, maybe take her down the road a little bit.
Hell yeah.
Get some drive-bys.
I think everything's hooked up, right?
Got it all, yeah. Got the sensor on, got that hose on there. That's got all the clamps are tight.
See if we got to erase any engine codes.
All right, well, we'll get her, fire it up. Not really. Turn it off. See what it does. A little different. Open it back up. It's a little louder. Yeah. It's not like obnoxious.
Yeah, we'll be going on the road.
Yeah. Right, let's put a load on it. It sounds so good. I love it. Sounds so cool. Definitely a little rowdy truck. I love it. It sounds so good. I love it. It's really got that rally truck growl to it. I like it. Some people don't like V6s that much, but I do like the sound of that. Yeah, that was a good one. It's got a nice crackle to it. Yeah. It sounds good.
I changed it when I drove by you that last time.
I could tell. I thought you did it the first time too.
I closed it coming back, and then when I came down here and I was driving by you, I tried to open it when I went flying by.
It sounds like a rally car or something,
It
you know?
does,
Yeah.
I don't mind it.
Oh, well, I'll hop in and see how it sounds inside the cab.
Yeah,
It's
closed
definitely-
it.
all right,
I closed
so
it. It's closed now.
Alright, let's see what it's like when it's closed. It's, you know, it's adequate. It's really not that bad. You know, it's quiet, but it's got some rumble to it.
Yeah, and then I'll open it.
Yeah, I know you love it. Oh yeah. You can feel underneath my seat.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You like it.
I do like it.
Wyatt wasn't too sure how the
wasn't.
V6 is gonna be, but
I
he
wasn't
likes
sure.
it. It barks good. I like it.
Need one for your coyote.
Yeah. Yo, the Coyote's getting one. 5.0 Coyote. We're gonna put a new exhaust on it.
I wonder what it sounds like windows up.
Yeah, let's put the windows up. I'm sure you guys are hearing nothing but wind noise in here, so I do apologize. So it's open right now?
Yeah.
Alright, still open.
You sound like the kid from Luther now. Straight pipes.
Oh.
Back to being in high school. Yeah, it's significantly louder.
Yes. And if we put two, there just wasn't enough room to put two of those on there on this vehicle. But if we put two of them, it would have sounded.
I'm not sure with a V6 with back pressure either, though.
I don't know.
Like one's probably good, but it does sound good.
Yeah. Does it feel like you got more power with this cold air intake?
I think so. I mean, I feel like it.
Yeah, it's probably very.
I'll have to.
It's hard to say. Maybe your miles per hour or your miles per gallon.
I was getting a steady 21, so. Shut it.
It's shut right now?
or 44 shot. Tameable.
Okay. It's definitely more tame when it's shut.
Yeah.
But it's still, this exhaust still, it still barks.
Yeah, it's still loud. It sounds
It's
good,
because
though.
we got 1 and 2 out. And that's probably a lot of it. It's got a lot of flow going out.
Yeah, definitely.
And then it's open now. Yep.
Still not terrible though.
No, it's not like, I thought it was gonna be like very obnoxious,
Stupid
loud.
loud.
Like, yeah, like almost open header sounding, but
Yeah.
it don't.
No. I would throw Y pipe on a V6.
Wow, I can't believe Wyatt said that.
I would.
You were so against
You
it at
know,
first.
getting on it, I'm still getting 21. I'm still getting 20.
Yeah.
And we've been getting on it.
I'm really
so
getting on it. Yeah, we'll have to see what you do, you know, on the highway and stuff.
I'll give you a week update.
Yeah. Because with more horsepower, ideally you should have better miles per gallon. Usually. If it's tuned right.
There's some.
I like it.
I like it a lot too. Thanks, bud.
Yeah, you're welcome. I knew you would like it.
I think the throttle response is a lot better.
Well, it should be. Because you're getting more airflow. It should be a little better.
It's quite a bit better.
Yeah.
We just lit them up rolling 40 on a dirt road. I mean, we'd probably do a burnout if we really wanted to, but
I gotta save these tires.
we
we don't get paid that much.
I gotta get propane.
Yeah.
Before I get tired.
We got winter coming in. We gotta buy some heat, propane and stuff here soon. That's expensive.
Oh, that's sweet.
Hell yeah. Well,
That's fun. I'm gonna get in trouble with this.
yeah. Maybe we want to put that away. Wyatt likes it. I like it. The quality seems good. So
I love it. It's
yeah.
fun to play with.
Thank you, Flash Shark, for sending us the exhaust and the cold air intake and everything. So really do like it. We'll keep you guys up to date on how we feel of it in the future. You know, we do live in winter here.
Yes.
And it's salt. So
That would be interesting.
we'll see how it lasts with the salt environment. And this guy does not wash anything he owns. So
No.
no.
Well, that's a good thing I got an extra one then.
Nope. So yeah, Flash Shark, we want to put a new exhaust and cut off on the old Coyote. So if you want to send us some other stuff for that.
The Coyote is due.
The Coyote is due. I think I got a Flowmaster on there right now. I think it's starting to get a little blown out. I don't know. I'm not sure what kind of muffler it has on there. It's probably all baffled as well, but I think we could put a new exhaust on it. Plus, I want to put new tips on it and everything. So maybe we'll do something with the old Coyote here.
Hell yeah.
But in the meantime, yeah, we'll have all the links down below. Everything that we used on this truck, everything will be listed down below. We do get a kickback if you guys do buy anything through our links down below. So if you guys would, check out all their products. They got all kinds of stuff down there. So anyways, if you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. There is a new function on YouTube right now for small channels like ours. If you guys are on mobile or a computer, there should be a new button down below near the comments called the hype button. If it's on your phone, find the comments and scroll to the right. You'll have a hype button down there. Click that, hype the video. It is YouTube's new way of pushing small creators' videos out into the algorithm. So if you guys are new to the channel, or if you guys
I'm new to that too.
Yeah,
Didn't know.
It just appeared like last week.
Okay.
It's been a new feature since like last week. So yeah, make sure you guys go and hype all our videos. It really will help us a lot. It's a new feature on YouTube, and it'll help get our channel out there. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and please like and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, or if you guys like this type of content. So anyways, that being said, we will see you guys in the next one.